Study a numerical for a gaseous reactants and gaseous product based on integrated rate law for first order reaction. Again, the equation given is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 of initial concentration upon final concentration. Now, when the concentration or amount is not given to you, but pressure is given to you, and initial pressure is given to you but the final pressure is directly not given to you. So how do you do this type of numerical? So let us study one numerical. You need to modify this formula for that particular numerical. Every time whenever you get that kind of numerical, you need to modify the formula. So how to modify that? Let us study one example. Thermal decomposition of N2O5 is given to you. So 2N2O5 gas gives you 2N2O4 gas plus O2 gas. This is a thermal decomposition reaction of dinitrogen pentoxide. A table is given to you where they have given you the information. So time is given in seconds and total pressure in atmospheres. So time, whenever it is when the time was 0 seconds and when the time was 100 seconds. 0 second when the time was 0 second, the total pressure is 0.5 atmosphere, and when the time was 100 seconds, after 100 seconds the total pressure was 0.512 atmosphere. This is the information given to you, and they are asking you to calculate rate constant. So you have to calculate value of K. So the formula is right here in front of you. You actually have initial pressure, but you don't have the final remaining pressure of the reactant, because they are not giving you the pressure of the reactant, they are giving you total pressure. And total pressure meaning pressure of this plus this plus this. So they are giving you the addition of all the three pressures, but you need the pressure of only N2O5. So how are you going to do that? For that, let me write down the reaction again. 2N2O5 gas gives 2N2O4 gas plus O2 gas. When the time is 0 seconds, whatever pressure they have given you in the name of total pressure, the pressure they have given you is total pressure, agreed. But when the time was 0, the decomposition has not started. That means these two are not formed. So they have 0 atmospheric pressure, 0 atmospheric pressure. So whatever is the total pressure at 0 time, at 0 second, is the initial pressure of the reactant. So this is nothing but PI, initial pressure of the reactant. Hope you get that. Then when the time was 100 seconds, okay, so you remove 2x amount. You remove x amount, but since the coefficient is 2, the x gets multiplied by 2. So 2x amount, when you remove, this will be 2x again, since there is 2, but this will be x because the coefficient of this is 1. So now this is 2x atmosphere, this is x atmosphere. Okay. Total pressure from this particular equation at 100 second is equal to what? 0.5 minus 2x plus 2x plus x. You add all the pressures together. So PT is equal to 2x, 2x gets cancelled, 0.5 plus x. Okay, so x is equal to, since we don't know the value of x, we need to find the value of x. X is equal to pt minus 0.5. So this is the value of x you got. So we know initial pressure, we know the initial pressure, but we still don't know the pressure at time t is equal to 100 seconds of the reactant. So when time t is 100 seconds, what is the pressure of the reactant? 0.5 minus 2x. So pressure at 100 seconds is equal to what? 0.5 minus 2 into x. We got the value of x over here. We will substitute the value of x in this. 0.5 minus 2 into pt minus 0.5. Okay. 2 into 0.5 is 1. Minus of minus will become plus. Plus 1 and 0.5 will become 1.5 minus 2 pt. So this is the value of pressure when the time is 100 seconds. So now you got the value of pressure of the reactant. Pressure of the reactant when the time is 100 seconds. And you have the initial pressure with you when the time was 0. That pressure is initial pressure. So you have initial pressure and you have final pressure of the reactant. So now the formula will become, the formula is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 of Pi upon 1.5 minus 2 pt. So we have to calculate the value of K. 2.303 upon T. What is T? T is 100 seconds. Log to the base 10. Pi is 0.5. This will be 1.5 minus 2 into, what is the pt given at 100 seconds? 0.512. So K is equal to 2.303 upon 100 log to the base 10 of 0.5 upon 1.5 minus 2 into 0.512 will be 1.5